me help
Jim. Jim loves living in the Big Apple. I mean, who doesn't enjoy noisy neighbors, overpriced lattes, and beautiful city views? But if there's one thing Jim doesn't love, it's paying an arm and a leg to park his car. And when it comes time to pick up his vehicle, we'll spare the details. That's why Jim uses Dropcar. With the click of a button, Jim now has his own personal concierge who will pick up his car from wherever he is and safely store it. And when Jim needs his car again, he simply requests it back, and his car will be outside awaiting his arrival. The best part is that at $349 a month, Jim can now afford way more lattes. Drive happy. Get Dropcar.
The fashion industry is in the middle of a huge change, and if we're honest, mass production can't really make what everyone needs anymore. If the fashion industry was starting again today, with the technology that's available, they'd be doing things in a very different way. So Unmade is a fashion technology company, and our objective as a company is to provide the software and the tools that the industry needs to move to an on-demand supply chain model. I think the interesting thing in the fashion industry today is that as consumer demand has evolved, the whole business model of how the industry functions doesn't really work anymore.
Most products are made months in advance, designed for an average, but most people aren't an average. Everyone's unique. This leads to a huge amount of waste where things end up being unsold and go straight to landfill. By changing when you make things, a whole new process emerges. You can involve the customer in what you make. Everything you make has been sold, and you don't have to put things on discount and sale because you don't have unsold stock. We call this curated customization. Customers can change the product to suit their needs, but it's always within parameters defined by the brand.
We manage and track all the steps of the production process from start to finish. When a customer places their order, it goes direct to the factory, automatically creates the manufacturing files before being made, packaged and shipped, and then sent direct to your customer.
We started in knitwear, but now we're applying this process in t-shirts, bags, footwear, and even hard goods. Really, it's something that can be applied to any type of product.
Unmade is the next step in customization.
We come in all shapes and sizes, but our clothing is still mass-produced.
We've created a machine to change that.
Meet Kniterate, a desktop digital knitting machine.
Now you can create your own garments and accessories, and you can share them online in a digital wardrobe. It's easy to use. You can start a design from scratch using our web design app, or simply load an existing design from the online library. Choose the color and material to suit you and press Knit. Just make a few finishing touches and your design is ready to wear. The process of making a garment has never been so easy. Kniterate helps you be more efficient and iterate faster than ever. You can use our standard size templates or modify them to your needs to get to the final design. You can use your own yarn or choose from our great selection of tried and tested yarns like wool, cotton, acrylic, or silk in plenty of different colors. We'll provide you with the right parameters for each of our yarns, which will allow you to cut time on sampling and focus on the fun parts, designing and wearing garments. You can knit garments with the same quality as the clothes you can find in your favorite stores. You can also use your usual design software. Simply import your design into our app and have it ready to knit in seconds. Kniterate can help you grow your business, or even help you start a new one, offering personalized products to your customers and shortening lead times. By producing garments locally and on demand, there'll be no need to wait for samples. No more excess stock or waste. With Kniterate, you can make garments exactly to your needs, right in your neighborhood, so they don't have to be shipped halfway across the world. Kniterate is not limited to standard yarns, so you can bring your projects to life. With Kniterate, your creativity has no limits.
I started this project 4 years ago to democratize clothing manufacturing. After building a team and countless prototypes, we're finally bringing this industrial technology to your desktop.
Last summer, we lived in a factory with over 30 years of experience building industrial knitting machines, and now we're ready to make Kniterate for you.
But we need your support to create them cost effectively. So please, back us now. Thank you.
you.